Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking more about soil pollution. I know we talked about that last lesson too, but today we're kind of going to dive into the causes of soil pollution and some of the effects they have. So after this lesson, you will be able to identify and explain what soil pollution is. You will be able to explain how a compost pile is a solution to soil pollution, and you will be able to make a claim about the merit or the worthiness of a compost pile as a solution to soil pollution. So when you get to a green slide, kind of like last time we had the blue slides, there are questions on each slide, and you're going to click the link at the bottom and you're going to share your thoughts, concerns, if you have any questions. When you click this link, it'll bring you to a Padlet, which looks like this. When you get there, there'll be this little box at the bottom. You can type in what you're thinking, any thoughts or questions or answers to the questions that you have, and then you'll press the post button. So that's every green slide that's like this color green. So you're going to go through the PowerPoint and learn about soil pollution on your own. So there's a couple slides. There's more green slides, and then these are all the types of soil pollution and why should you care about soil pollution. And then when you get to this slide, these contain articles, and then the blue links right here are me and Miss Mevick reading them. So I highly suggest that you listen to the first one at least, so you can see like how we made or how we highlighted the claims, the evidence, and the reasoning and problem. And then the second one, if you want to listen to it, you can, or you can read it on your own. And like we said in the video, we're not collecting or looking at any of your stuff you're highlighting or writing. So that's just for you guys. And then down here is a link, and you can ask questions if you have any questions about claims, or if you wanted to share your thoughts with us, you can go ahead and do that. And then when you get to this slide, you're going to watch this video, and it's going to show you how to make your own compost pile. And then after you watch that video, you can click this link, and Miss Mevick explains the instructions to this link and also where you're going to post your compost pile, your claim for your compost pile, and any updates or anything, which is also on the Padlet. All right, now that you guys know what you're doing today,
let's go learn about soil pollution.